morning, all of you. Again, I welcome all of you for our online class, day 11. Last class, we have completed up to paragraph number 6, chapter 3, the starting point. Today, let's start our class with paragraph number 7. Last class, in 6th paragraph, it tells about Gurudev. He was very good person and he was not that much talkative. He was a very good man and he used the stick when he trained the people. Up to there, we completed today paragraph number 7. Let me read. 6 weeks into our training, the center held a cross-country race. 6 weeks, they have a training. Every day, they had to run 6 miles. 6 miles. Then here, after that 6 weeks, they conducted a cross-country race. That means country race means it is mentioning here across field or open country and not on road or on a track. It was not on a track or road. It is a field or open country. That's a cross country race. In this event, Gurudev came first and I came second. Okay, in this event, in this race competition, Gurudev, who was a Gurudev? Gurudev was his trainer. Okay, he was his trainer. He came first and I came second. Who came second? Milkha Singh. Okay, Milkha Singh came second. Again, I become the cynosure of all ears. That means it is mentioning a person who is the focus of everyone's attention. That's a cynosure. Okay, the person got the all people, they attention to him. Of all eyes. Again, I become the cynosure of all eyes. That means cynosure means a person who is the focus of everyone's attention. All people are looking to one person. That's a cynosure, focusing to one person. I was 20 or 21 at that time. My age was around 20 or 21. Very young man, but look much younger. I was asked to take part in the brigade's meeting in Hyderabad, where I was asked to run in the 400-meter event. Okay, here we'll see he wanted to participate another race, that is in Hyderabad. Brigades मतलब क्या है? That's a one kind of group. There is in army there are battalions are there. There is a small battalion brigade meet in Hyderabad, where I was asked to run in 400 meters. In the same place, he run 400 meters. I was greatly surprised because I did not even know what 400 meters means. I was greatly surprised because I did not even know what 400 meters means. He knows only 6 miles, but here 400 meters. He doesn't know what is 400 meters. I had always run 6 miles. He used to run always 6 miles, so that he never bothered about 400 meters. But it was during the brigade's meet that the second incident occurred, which made me even more determined to become a good athlete. It makes him as a good athlete, means he took a decision. I want to become a good athlete. Okay, in the first practice run in Hyderabad, I took off my canvas shoes and run barefoot. Gurudev clapped his hand for me to start. I did and clocked 53 seconds. Here we'll see he removed his shoes and without shoes he started to run. Okay. Then Gurudev clapped. Who was the Gurudev? He was a trainer. So he clapped his hand for me to start. I did, and clock in 63 seconds, he could complete the race. I was eager to run 4 more rounds. Again, he wanted to run 4 more rounds. 4 बार दोबारा run करने के लिए इनका बहुत इच्छा था. After all, that was what I was used to running 6 miles every day. He used to run every day 6 miles. He used to run 6 miles every day. So running a quarter mile seems far too easy. Quarter means here 3 miles. Only 3 miles is running very easy. I continued to practice for many days. Okay, he keep on doing the practice. He continuously practicing day by day. Improve my time, and soon I was running 400 meters in less than a minute. Then keep on practicing. After all this practicing, he could run within a minute. How many miles? How many meters? 400 meters. Next, we'll go to 8, paragraph number 8. The day of the meet dawned bright and clear. The usual or first. As I made my way to the stadium, I noticed some men who were surrounded by senior officers and their family. While he going to the stadium, he noticed, उन्होंने देखा, there are some people are standing with their senior officers and their families. The men was vexed with India written on them in bold letters. The men were vexed with India written on them in bold letters. Those athletes were standing, they were wearing with a India written in their cloth, in vest. They seem to have an air of power and prestige about them. It means, it is mentioning in word meaning, they seem very important and much respected and admired by others. They are very important people and they are very admired. It means they are tarif karna. They all are praising them. They are very important people. I was very curious to know who they are. Milkha Singh, उनका मन में बहुत इच्छा आया. He wanted to know who is that people. I was told later that they were athletes who had represented India in international sporting events. Then, at last, he could understand. He came to know they are the athletes for international sporting. They are the people, those who are standing there, that people are athletes for international, all world. That was my eureka moment. Here, eureka moment, that is it means the time when he realized what he wanted to become in life. The word eureka comes from Greek and means I have found it. That means it is a Greek word. Okay, eureka means it is a Greek word. It means I have found it. The use of the word referred to the exclamation by Archimedes, who after a long period of study discovered a method to detect the purity of gold in the crown of the king. That means eureka means I have found it. That's a real meaning. That was my eureka moment. I made a solemn promise to myself that I would not rest until I earn a place in the special world to the world of Indian athletes who had a privilege of representing their country. He took a decision. What his decision? He took challenge. I will take this position one day. That was his decision. Those people were standing with the verse, the written in India. He also took an oath. The world Indian athletes who had privilege of representing their country. I will also represent my country. I wanted to wear blazers and vest with the name of my country written on it. I also want to wear the same blazers with our country, name of my country written on them. I resolved that I would make my country proud of me. Resolved that I would make my country proud of me. I also rise my country up and up and up. It is my desire. Paragraph number 9. I was very nervous when we reported at that starting line before the race. I was very nervous. Nervous मतलब क्या है? He was very nervous. The starting line before the race. Before he under the starting line, he was very nervous. This was the first time that I was competing in such an event, and that too before thousands of spectators. This was the first time that I was competing in such an event, and that too before thousands of spectators. I had little idea about the procedures and the technicalities for such event. Here we see now Milkha Singh going to participate this competition. There was thousands of people. Spectators मतलब क्या है? Those who are watching or audience, देखने वाला. Okay, I had a little idea about the procedures and the technicalities for such a event. He has some idea. That means the rules of the race and the procedure that should be followed before the race. It's the rules of regulation. He has some idea about the rules and regulation for the race. 10th paragraph. I came fourth in the race. I came fourth in the race. In the race, he came fourth position. Okay, I was disappointed but not disheartened. But he was very disappointed. इससे मतलब बहुत निराश हो गया, वो बहुत दुख हो गया. But लेकिन I did not disheartened. Disheartened मतलब क्या है? Having lost hope or confidence. का hope, आशा नहीं गया. He was very confident, but he did not lose his confidence and hope. Then I had raced with star athletes, the national champion. Okay, he had raced with star athletes. His competition was with star athletes. There are very good athletes are there. With them, Milkha Singh raced. The national champion Sohan Singh of the 6th Regiment and Pritam Singh. Two people, they were in star. They are the first one, number one, runners, Sohan Singh and 6th Regiment and Pritam Singh, who had represented India in events abroad. Two people, they represented India in abroad. Abroad मतलब विदेश में. Okay, दूसरा country में उन्होंने इंडिया के लिए represented किया. So I hope you all understood this chapters and all this paragraph up to 10. Tomorrow we will start our chapter from paragraph 11. So today for your homework is you have to write word meaning of page number 22 and 23. I hope you all done the homework previous days. All you have to do the homework and take time to study. Utilize all the time for your study purpose. God may bless you.